Please note, I have 7 playlists in this channel. I am teaching spoken Arabic and Fusha Arabic. So you can choose what you want to learn. If you want to learn spoken or if you want to learn Fusha standard Arabic. Simply by go to the playlists and choose what you need to learn. If you want to learn Fusha, you will find it. And if you want to learn spoken, you will find it in the playlists. Now, let's go to our video. Hello everyone, how's it going? I'm good, and you? I am Amin, and welcome to Word of Today Fusha Standard Arabic playlist. The word of today is بخير. 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 Ra at the end. بخير. بخير, it means good. This word, we are using it if someone is asking you about how are you or how is it going. بخير. بخير. بخير means good. So this is our word of today. See you in the next video. Salam. Hi everybody. Support me by subscribing to the channel. By click the subscribe button and then click the bell button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you.